Today we're going to talk about affirmations. So many times, whether it be at the beginning of the new year, where you're setting affirmations and goals for your new year, or perhaps it's something that you're setting for an achievement or things that sort that you're wanting to go about. Maybe let's go with the new year. This is so common for people saying, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm at my new weight of 125. But see what instantly came? Why is it that we have our affirmations and we have our things that we want so badly and we really want to believe them? We know that if you affirm it daily and you visualize it and affirm it, so it will be. But the yes but is always what knocks us off our track. We're thinking about, but I've never achieved that before, that's been years, but that's going to be hard, but maybe I might be able to, I think I might actually attract men that perhaps I do want a relationship, but how do I know I can trust it? Now I'm all nervous and worried about that. Well, really, it's not safe to lose that weight. There's all these yes buts. It could be even for achievements of goals, and you're wanting that new position in work, but that's going to require a lot more hours or more responsibility, whatever it is that is your but. Now, why is it? What can we do? Many people have told me, well, I'm not going to do those goals anymore. That just sets you up for failure. I'm just going to think positive. But does positive really work for you? Well, it's better than the alternative, yes. But how about knocking down those buts that are kicking you down and stopping you from affirming that wonderful goal that you would like to achieve this year? So when you have that, I'm so happy and grateful that I'm now at my new weight of 125, healthy and fit. If the first thing comes up for you saying, that would be a lot of work, or that's going to be difficult, or perhaps that's going to mean that I'm going to have to not eat a lot of the things that I enjoy eating. Whatever it is, your but, that is where you affirm and tap on that. Now, why do we tap? Because the hippocampus is telling you your long-term memory, but you haven't achieved that yet. But you failed at this last time. Whatever your yes buts are. But, with no pun intended, then if you continue on, and you move into the next point and you start tapping, beat that butt down, basically is what I'm saying to do. You can do it with affirming and reaffirming your hippocampus to have a new memory. When you are affirming, think of it this way. You're affirming your positive affirmations. You're sending the signal to your brain and you're thinking, oh, that's going to feel good. But your hippocampus and your long-term memory and your amygdala is saying, this has not been a good feeling in the past. You tried this last year, say, okay? Then what you can do is you can tap and say, even though I tried this last year and I didn't do it and I didn't succeed, I accept myself anyway. Even though I did not succeed making my goal of 125 last year, and I worry that I won't do it this year, I love and accept myself anyway. So you're affirming, so your brain can accept what has happened in the past, that you're saying, yes, that's true, yes, that's true. But then you're able to bring in a new one and say, well, I accept that. I accept that, no problem. I accept that that's happened. That doesn't mean I'm a failure. I accept that that's the way it is. That's just the way it is. Now you can go into, if you did not have the but, what would you be? I would feel good. I would feel healthy. What is that? You would feel fit. You would fit in your clothes well. I would be able to do more activities. Whatever it is, your affirmation, now you can tap on your but. This won't work, tap on the negative, then tap on, this is going to mean I'm not going to get to eat any of my good treats, and it's going to be a lot of work. Tap on that all through, no good treats, A lot of work. I've failed before. No good treats. I've failed before. Tap on what you believe your butt is. Then affirm your new belief. After that's been knocked down, now you can receive and believe your new belief that, yes, okay, I can accept this. That's why you said, I accept that I have failed before, but I accept a new thought now. It's able to bring it in and receive, instead of that instant, you've accepted the but, so now it doesn't have to block it. Now it's like, oh, okay, it's okay, but's okay. Yeah, but I might miss some of those treats. Tap on those butts, and then the brain, the hippocampus, reaffirms and says, oh yeah, that's true. Well, now you're sending the signal, and I'm just now processing, sending the signal that it's able to affirm, saying, oh, this is calm, this is good, this is positive. You're sending a positive signal while you're saying something negative that I've never achieved. It's not any good treats. Your brain's saying, oh, I don't know if I like those treats. And so it moves on, and you're able to affirm and feel good with your affirmation now. And your butt just isn't a butt anymore. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm now healthy and fit at my 125 pounds. You rock.